here's what made this discovery revolutionary. It all started in 1953. Two young scientists at McGill University made a discovery that would change neuroscience forever. Their names were James Olds and Peter Milner. They were studying the brain's reward system. They wanted to understand what makes us feel motivated, what drives us toward pleasure and away from pain. So they did something bold. They implanted tiny electrodes deep into different regions of a rat's brain. They systematically stimulated different areas. Most regions produced nothing special. But then they tried the septal area, a region deep in the brain's limbic system, and something extraordinary happened. The rat didn't avoid it. It came back, again and again and again. It seemed to crave the electrical stimulation. The rat kept returning to the exact spot where it received the shock. This wasn't avoidance, this was hunger, this was desire. So the scientists did something brilliant. They placed a lever in the cage. One press of the lever would deliver a tiny electrical jolt to the rat's reward center in the septal area. The result was astonishing. The rat pressed the lever relentlessly, hundreds of times per hour, thousands of times per day. It ignored food, it ignored water, it ignored the chance to mate. It would press the lever until it reached the point of exhaustion, then wake up and press it again. This was one of the first times science had witnessed the raw, unfiltered power of the brain's reward system. The septal area wasn't just producing pleasure, it was producing obsession, addiction. The rat couldn't stop. And here's what made this discovery revolutionary. They had found the blueprint for how motivation works, for how desire works, for how addiction works. Later, scientists would discover that this reward system extends beyond the septal area. They found another crucial region, the nucleus accumbens, and they discovered that many of these reward circuits are closely tied to dopamine. But Olds and Milner had already revealed the fundamental truth. Your brain contains regions that can override every other drive. Food? Forgotten.